Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to turn your photo into an anime character in Canva. So here I'm going to open Canva. I'm going to create a design and then click on custom size and let's say 6:9, okay? And now we have our design. So I'll upload a photo here. Go to uploads, upload the photo that you want, and here it is, a person. And the photo is now uploading, and once it's uploaded, go ahead and drag it here. I'll just go ahead and crop the image in order to focus more on the face. So edit the image, crop. Okay, hit enter, and I'll just zoom in a bit here. Okay, now let's duplicate the image here and drag another copy down just to see the difference. Or let's make them here side by side, zoom in a bit. Now, what you want to do is go here to apps and then type in Animify. Okay, hit enter. And this is the one you want to use, the app that you want to use. It turns your photo into anime style. However, since I'm using an educational account here, it needs to be verified by my team admin. So, however, for you, if you have a pro account, just open it and apply it to one image, and you'll see that it'll turn into anime style.